Welcome guys to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove safely the back cover, the back plate on a Galaxy, on a Note 10 Plus. So just stay tuned and let's do it. Okay guys, for this repair we can use a heat gun like this. We can also use a blow dryer. I'm gonna use a razor blade and a plastic playing card, or you can use a regular playing card, just like, or a business card. You can use many things, but we need something like this, very thin and not made out of metal, because this can break the screen really easy. So we're gonna start by heating this up. What you can do is like touch the glass, and when you feel like your fingers are like, you can't hold it for too long in there, so that means the thing is ready to remove. Avoid like putting so much heat on the camera area, just to make sure you don't burn that. So, and also wear gloves guys if you like, you're not heat resistant which I doubt it. Just use some gloves so you don't get burned or anything like that. Safety first. All right, we put enough heat, and now, yeah, when you touch it, ooh, that's hot. Okay, we're gonna grab our razor blade and we're gonna go in between, and we are just gonna lift that back cover a little bit. Don't put so much pressure in here. We just want to lift it enough to slide our playing card in there. So we just want a little gap, a little gap. Okay, as you guys can see, I got my playing card in there a little bit. So at this point, I'm gonna reheat this again. All right, here we go, and we're gonna keep sliding that playing card in between there. As you guys can see, now the adhesive get a little soft, so we can slide our playing card up and down. As you guys can see, cutting off that adhesive that is in between. So we're gonna be doing this, playing this game until we go all the way around. So, as you guys can see, our phone is gonna be flawless, no scratches, and we're gonna prevent to break this beautiful back cover, so you don't have to spend extra money if you need to fix something inside this phone. So yeah, we're gonna keep doing this, and like I say, use gloves because it gets hot. So I went myself and got a glove, so you know, I don't have to suffer. You always have to make your life easy. There you go. As you can see how easy that went through with the right amount of heat. You see, but this playing card might not be enough. Oh my god, look look at that. The heat, it's the heat. Anyways, let's keep going right here.
Through all the years that I've been working on these phones with a glass back panel, this is one of the best methods that I found to safely remove the back cover. So that way, if you need to replace a battery or any other component inside your device, you don't risk of breaking the back. So it will save you extra money, and also it prevents from scratching, because as you see, we use a plastic tool, so we're not scratching or breaking anything with this technique. So
there you go. As you can see how it opens, we have a little gap already. So like I say, I avoid going straight full heat around the camera just to prevent to damage those beautiful cameras. We're almost there. We're gonna heat it up a little bit more in this area, on this corner right here. And we go around. Look at that, how it cuts when it has the right heat. There we go. There we go. Look. We can take a look to the inside. A new world. Okay. There we go. We have gone all the way around. Look at the shape of my piece of playing card. It's not even a complete playing card, but anyways, look, with this little thing you can save your life and don't break this back. Meanwhile, you'll replace it. So I'm gonna put that on the side, throw it on the side, whatever. Okay, and look.
now we have successfully removed the back of this Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I have a video coming up on a tear down of the whole device. So this is all we're gonna do on this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you to fix or open your device. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the bell notification so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye now.